The thing you need to do first of all, after downloading your Notepad++, or you can also use Sublime Text for it. Use Sublime Text here. This is your Notepad++. So, but now we are using Notepad++. So, click on your Notepad++. You wait for it to show. After that, then you create a new file, and make sure your new file extension is .html. Save your file. You may save it with anything, but make sure it ends with .html, which is the program you are writing. You can save it with my project.html. Then you save. Then you open, and first thing you need to write when writing a program which is HTML is your doc type. Doc type HTML, then close it. When you open a tag, you must close it, don't forget. Then you come to your next step. You write your HTML, which is the program you're writing. Then you come to the next place. You put your head, your title. You can make your title something like my code. Then you close your title. Then you close your head. And the next thing you write is your body. Your body, you may put, this is my first HTML program and I am happy to be a programmer. Then you close your body, don't forget. Then the next thing you write here is your style. Next thing you write here is your style. You must fill in your heading, which is your heading. You can make it like H1. We have a lot. We have H1, H2, H3. Any as much as heading you want to use. You can use H6. You can use up to 6 headings. Just use heading. So your H1, you can make it my project. Then you close your H1. Then you save your file. Then you run your program to see what you've written so far. Have you seen it? My project. This is my first HTML program, and I'll be able to be a programmer. Then you make sure you close your file, your style. Because for now, we are not teaching how to style an HTML. But our next class will be on how to style an HTML program. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.